Macro and micro plant nutrients. What are nutrients? Nutrients are substances that give nourishment needed for growth and the maintenance of all life. All living things need nutrients to survive, including plants. Where do plants get their nutrients from? Plants use carbon dioxide and water when there is sunlight, there's the sun, and chlorophyll to create glucose and oxygen. The reaction is carbon dioxide plus water plus light gives you sugar and oxygen. The glucose made from photosynthesis is the food the plant needs to create energy. But this is not enough. They also need nutrients from the soil to survive. The nutrients that plants need are found in soil particles, but plants cannot get to them. Plants cannot eat the soil to get to the nutrients. Plants need a lot of water to be present. The water leaches the elements away from the soil. Plants can then drink the water through their roots that will have the nutrients mixed in. There are two groups of nutrients for plants: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are the building blocks of important cellular functions like proteins and nucleic acids. They are required in large amounts. Plants' exact needs vary, but most plants need three main nutrients to survive: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These are the elements that are usually missing from soil because plants use large quantities of each for their growth. When farming or gardening, these need to be added to the soil by the farmers. Nitrogen gives plant leaves their dark color to help promote growth. It helps to build amino acids, and amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, and it's needed for chlorophyll production. Phosphorus helps root growth, protects plants from disease, lets plants make flowers and seeds, and encourages cell division to help the plant grow. Potassium helps root growth, it protects plants from disease, it helps open and close the stomata on leaves, and is needed to make chlorophyll. Chlorophyll are the green pigments that help in photosynthesis. Other important secondary macronutrients are magnesium, calcium, and sulfur. There's usually enough of these elements in the ground for plants to absorb. Micronutrients are trace minerals. They are required in smaller amounts, right? That's the word micro, smaller, but are still very important. Here are 7 critical micronutrients: boron, zinc, iron, manganese, copper, molybdenum, and chlorine.